Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for hands-on, no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best soldering iron kit with stand that you can buy right now. The MEAKEST 60W Soldering Iron Premium Kit. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or even a professional technician, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's kick things off with what you get straight out of the box. This isn't just a soldering iron. It's a full 12-in-1 soldering toolset. It includes a 60W soldering gun with a ceramic heater, multiple interchangeable tips, solder wire, solder paste, a pump, and of course, the much-needed stand. Everything's packaged compactly, and the build quality makes a strong first impression. It gives you the flexibility to work on everything from delicate electronics to heavier-duty joints without scorching your components. What really makes this kit stand out, though, are the small but significant design choices. For starters, it has an actual on-off switch. Sounds basic, but it's a big deal for safety and energy savings. No need to unplug the thing every time you take a break. Combine that with 6 ventilation holes on the shaft, and you've got a soldering iron that stays cool under pressure, literally. This extended airflow design helps prolong the lifespan of the iron while reducing the risk of overheating. Let's move on to the handle. It's ergonomically designed with heat-resistant silicone covering, which means your hands stay protected and comfortable, even after long hours of work. There's a noticeable anti-slip effect too, which is especially helpful when you're trying to make precise solder points without jittery hands or slipping grips. As for versatility, this kit doesn't disappoint. It's suitable for jewelry soldering, computer hardware repairs, mobile device maintenance, and even guitar wiring. The included soldering tips come in various shapes, which means you can easily switch between them depending on the detail or surface area you're working with. A quick word on consumables: the solder wire and paste have been upgraded in volume based on customer feedback. That means you won't be running out halfway through a job or needing to buy extras right away. It's a nice touch that shows the brand is listening and evolving based on real-world usage. Compatibility-wise, it's important to remember that this unit operates at 110 volts. So if you're outside the US, you'll likely need a voltage converter. It's a small hurdle for an otherwise well-rounded kit. In a world full of soldering irons that either underperform or overpromise, the MEAKEST 60W Premium Kit hits that sweet spot between affordability, performance, and safety. With features that cater to both beginners and experienced users, it earns its place at the top of the recommendations list. So if you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and complete soldering solution, the MEAKEST Soldering Iron Premium Kit might just be your next best buy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more brutally honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.